So basically it is like my array, we are going to keep it like this only, we cannot do anything there, but we need to write like this. So say concat, I'm putting like, okay, array, this is my new array been created, my array, I'm just taking this out. Okay, this is a function how you need to write whenever you want to concatenate something. Okay, so concating, what I'm doing is 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm just closing the syntax. Now when you see what happened, how if you want to use a concat function, okay, append is basically going to modify your complete, the original array. But if you don't want to concatenate your original array, but you just want to add that something up into my main array, I want to see how it going to be like. So depending on different types of palettes coming in here, you are going to, so AC3 I have created, AC1 I have created. Okay, you see, I'll just pull in the AC1 and you see the parts in that are AC1. Okay, then I'll just pull in another palette which is DC1, then we have a part known as DC1. Now let us talk about the arrays. Okay, so this is how the logic is created. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries related to creating a logic that palletization logic, that based on the palette type you should pick up a part that is required to fulfill the order. Okay, now if you click on the part, as we saw in the last video itself, that how a machine cycle time array is to be set up. Okay, so here you see all cycle time, all machine cycle times are set up as a label onto the item in the form of array, right? But if you now click onto the palette, you're going to see another label other than type which has been available onto the palette, and that label is items loaded. And if you see, all these items are going to be set up in the array form. Okay, and how those we have created, we already saw in separator on exit trigger. What we do is we are assigning a array, then we are assigning the length of that particular array, which is going to be equal to 10. Okay, basically, and which is going to be equal to your palette size. And then when we look into that, we are going to run in a for loop, and it is going to print in the item references. It's very great if you could look at that. You are going to get each item reference in the form of array as a label to the palette. So whenever you click onto this, you can have a binocular here, and you can directly have a reference to that particular item. This part is very important, guys, and just take this up as a bonus for this. Okay, this video. So basically we are creating that array label. It's a very great thing. So this is how you need to create that. Okay, it's very important, it's very helpful. Okay, so here is our array been created. Now let us understand some of the array concepts, okay, onto some of the details. Okay, some of the details in the sense, some of the what I can say this, let us understand some of the syntaxes and the scriptings into the array methods. Okay, so before I begin, I'll just reset this model and let you know that we are always going to have a constructor in array, and that is named as array. Okay, what does that mean? So basically, for example, I want to create an array. Okay, a simple array. So I'll just type this array. So this black color array which you see, that is basically the constructor in array, scripting, and the script for arrays. So this array which I highlighted is a constructor. This is a variable, and now the value which we are going to put in is your array. So this is a manual array creation. Okay, all other arrays which we created early, those were dynamic arrays. I am now taking you through the scripting tutorials where you are going to learn how to create arrays. Now this you can make dynamic, which we already have created in our previous videos. You have seen that. But we will also see multiple different syntaxes of array going ahead. Okay, so stay tuned into different parts of arrays. Okay, so now if you see this, what it is going to do is it is going to create an array for us. Okay, so for example, let me set this up as the so it is visible onto the palette as the label. Okay, and you can see that whatever changes are going to be made. Okay, so I'll just reset and run. So whenever you come in here, whenever a part is going to come, okay, I'm just running this. Whenever a part is going to come, you are supposed to see that Okay, this item.array is nothing but a label is going to get assigned to the palette, which is equal to my array. So I'll just stop and continue. And if you see, I'm just checking out onto the palette. See, the label named array is been set it up onto the palette, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we have already mentioned here. Okay. Now, what if I'm going to say that my array length I'm going to set it to 2? So basically, what I do is this. What will this syntax do? Okay. Let us see. This. I'm just stopping and continuing. So if you just check, I'm having the length of an array of 2. Initially, it was the length of 5, but now the array I'm going to get it is 2. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You get access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.